everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Talwani Classes. Earlier we have discussed the formula related to mensuration. Today in this class we will discuss some problems based on mensuration which are related to our daily life. Okay, our first question is the cost of fencing. Fencing is a particular word which means perimeter. If you find word fencing in your question, it is confirmed that you have to find the perimeter. Fencing means perimeter. The cost of fencing a rectangular field, which figure is given rectangular, at the rate rupees 34 per meter is 2720. 2720. If its length is 23, find its breadth. There are three main particular points: fencing, rectangular and rate of per meter. 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट दे रखी है और आपको टोटल कॉस्ट दे रखी है. डेली लाइफ के ऐसे कई एग्जांपल्स हैं कि हमें एक चीज की जस्ट लाइक ए पेन की कॉस्ट दे रखी है 10 रुपए और हमें टोटल रुपीस दिए गए हैं 100. तो हम कितने पेन हम खरीद सकते हैं, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि टोटल कॉस्ट में उस पेन की कॉस्ट का डिवाइड कर देंगे तो नंबर ऑफ पेन्स आ जाएंगे. या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मान लो कि 2720 में हमें 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट 34 है, तो उसकी वैल्यू मीटर्स में कितनी होगी. तो जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल बताया, तो हमें 2720 में 34 का डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा तो हमारा नंबर ऑफ मीटर आ जाएगा. लेंथ 23 है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द ब्रेड्थ. नाउ टोटल कॉस्ट इक्वल्स टू rupees 2720. It is cost of 1 meter equals to rupees 34. It is also given perimeter. We have to find the perimeter equals to total cost divided by cost of 1 meter. It means perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus B, because we have given a rectangular field, so I have to apply the formula of perimeter of rectangle equals to 2720 divided by 34. We will get 80 meter. This is the perimeter and this is the formula. Now ये 2 जो है वो इस ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो दूसरी तरफ ट्रांसफर करने पर ये डिवाइड में चला जाएगा. तो आपको याद रखना है कि जो वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी तरफ जाने पर डिवाइड हो जाएगी, और डिवाइड हो रही है तो मल्टीप्लाई. इट मीन्स हमें उल्टा करना है. मल्टीप्लाई का उल्टा होता है डिवाइड और डिवाइड का उल्टा होता है मल्टीप्लाई. इसी तरह से अगर कोई वैल्यू प्लस हो रही है तो दूसरी तरफ जाके माइनस हो जाएगी, और अगर माइनस हो रही है तो दूसरी तरफ जाके प्लस हो जाएगी. तो ये 2 इस ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई है तो हमने 80 के अपॉन में लिख दिया, और L की वैल्यू हमें दे रखी है 23 मीटर. बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ L जस्ट 23 प्लस B एज इट इज इक्वल्स टू 80 अपॉन 20. अब ये देखो B और 23 क्या हो रहे हैं, आपस में प्लस हो रहे हैं, तो ये 23 वैल्यू उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस हो जाएगी. तो इसकी वैल्यू आई 40 आ गई. अब 40 में से ये 23 हम माइनस करेंगे तो हमारी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 17 मीटर. इट मीन्स जो ब्रेड्थ है उस रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड की वो है हमारी 17 मीटर. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी एनवेलप्स can be made out of a sheet of paper 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter. It means we are given a sheet of paper and we have to cut the sheet in different shapes to make the envelopes. The length of sheet is 100 centimeter and breadth is 75 centimeter. If in any question you are given by this type of values, it means 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter. It means first value is the length of the figure and second is breadth of the figure. Supposing one envelope requires 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter piece of paper. It means we have to cut the paper, the sheet, into the size of 20 centimeter length and 5 centimeter breadth to make the envelopes, one envelope. Find the piece of paper. Now we have to find the how many envelopes, number of envelopes and you have to find in any type of number you have to divide the larger value divided by smaller value. Look at the question. Area of sheet. Sheet is a rectangular. Why? Why is rectangular? Because length is 100 and breadth is 75. They are different. They are not equal. If they were equal, it will be the square. And these are different values. 100 by centimeter. It means length is larger and breadth is smaller. So we know it indicates the sheet of paper is rectangular. Now area of sheet equals to, we know that the area of rectangle is L into B. It means 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter, that is 175 multiplied by 175, and we put two zeros here. This is very important thing. This is centimeter, this is centimeter. When centimeter is multiplied by centimeter, we get centimeter square. You can't ignore it. This is very important. Now, the area of the sheet is 7500 centimeter square. Now the area of one envelope. Envelope is also a shape of rectangle because length is 20 and breadth is 5. They are different. So it will be 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter. It means L into B. The area of envelope must be also L into B. L is 20 centimeter, B is 5 centimeter, equals to 25 the 100 centimeter square. Now we have to find the number of envelopes. Number of envelopes equals to area of sheet. Larger figure. Which is larger? Sheet of paper is larger. And what is smaller? Area of sheet, cut sheet, which will be used for the envelope. Area of sheet divided by area of one envelope, that is 7500 divided by 100 centimeter by centimeter, and when we divide 7500 by 100, we get 75 envelopes. So we can say that we can make 75 envelopes of size 20 centimeter by centimeter from a sheet of paper whose measurement is 100 centimeter by 75 centimeter. Now, the third question is a very interesting question, that a square and a rectangle filled with measurements given in figure. These are the figures. This is rectangle, its length is 80 meter given. This is a square and rectangle, and this is square. And the side of the square is given 60 meter. A square and a rectangle filled with measurements given in figure have the same perimeter. This is the most important word in this question, that the perimeter of the rectangle and the perimeter of the square is same. Which field have a larger area? Now we have to find the area of both the figures. Then we have to conclude that which figure has larger area. So first of all, perimeter of a square. We can't find the perimeter of rectangle firstly because breadth is not given, but side of the square is given, so we have to find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of a square, we know that 4 into side. 4 into side is 60, that is 240 centimeter. Here we don't write square because there is only one length and there are two lengths, that is length, that is also length. In perimeter we use only centimeter, and in area we use centimeter square. Now this is the perimeter of square, and it is given that the rectangle and the square have the same perimeter. It will become the perimeter of the rectangle also. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 240 centimeter. Formula of perimeter: 2L plus B equals to 240. 240 will be divided by this 2 because this 2 is multiplied by this. When we transfer this 2 next side of the equals to sign, it will be in divide form. Length is 80. Length is given 80. We have put the value of length 80 plus B equals to 240 divided by 2. Breadth equals to, and when we transfer this 80 to that side, it will be subtracted from 120. Breadth equals to 40. We have find the breadth. Breadth equals to 40 and length is 80 of the rectangle and the side of the square is 60. Now we have to find the figure which has larger area. For that we have to calculate the area of the both figures. That is area of a square, we know that side into side 60 centimeter into 60, that is 6 6 is 36 with 2 0, that is 3600 centimeter square. Now the area of the rectangle, we know that L into B, length is 80 and breadth is 40, that is the breadth, and the area will be 8 4 is 32, double 0 will be here, it means 3200 centimeter square. Now we can see that the area of the square is 3600 and the area of the rectangle is 3200 only. So we can conclude that the area of square is greater, so we can write square has larger area. Now you can take the screenshot of this page. Yes students, we have solved 3 questions. Our fourth question is a rectangular swimming pool. Fourth question, a rectangular swimming pool. Swimming pool is 8 meter long and 5 meter wide. Pool 8 meter long and 5 meter wide has a 0.5 meter wide path. Has a 0.5 meter wide path around it. Find first part, area of path, and second part is cost of covering the path at 32 per meter square. Cost of covering it at rupees 32 per meter square. Now we have a swimming pool that is 8 meter. That is 8 meter and this is 5 meter. And what is given? 0.5 meter wide path around it. Around means outside it, चारों तरफ. So this is the path. And what is the width? 0.5 meter. 0.5 here, 0.5 here and 0.5 here. First of all we will see on the figure. This A, B, C, D is the figure of the pool, and this P, Q, R and S is the figure of the figure which has swimming pool in it and path around it. Now what will be the length of PQ? PQ is AB plus 0.5 this side plus 0.5 this side. This is the important thing, because we know that the length of AB is from this point to this point, and the length of PQ will be sum of this and this, and it is given that this is 0.5 and this is also 0.5. So we can say that PQ, length of PQ will be AB plus 0.5 this side, 0.5 this side. AB is 8 plus 0.5, 0.5, 1, and it is 9 meter. So we can say that PQ equals to 9 meter. Similarly, RQ. RQ equals to BC plus 0.5 of this side and 0.5 of this side. So 0.5 plus 0.5, it means what is the BC? 5 plus 1, it means 6 meter. This is the main concept of this question. Now we have to find the area around it, and there is a trick to find the area, that we have to find the larger area and smaller area. Larger is PQRS. Solution: area of PQRS. PQRS is a rectangle, so we will write L into B. What is L? PQRS. PQ into QR. That is, what is PQ? PQ is 9 meter, QR is 6. 9 into 6, that is 54 meter square. Now, area of ABCD. ABCD is also a shape of rectangle. And what is AB? L into B, that is AB into BC. That is 8 into 5. It is 40 meter square. This is the area of whole figure, and this is the area of the swimming pool only. Now, area of path. Area of path equals to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Now, PQRS is 54 meter square minus 40 meter square, that is 14 meter square. This is the answer of our first part, area of path, that is 14 meter square. Now, second part, cost of covering it at rupees 32 per meter square. Cost of covering. Cost of 1 meter square equals to rupees 32. And what is the area of the path? Cost of 14 meter square equals to 14 into 32. To find the cost, we have to find the given answer to the given cost, and the given answer of the path. We have to find the cost of covering it. It means the path, and the area of the path is 14, and the cost of the path is given 32 per meter square. So we can multiply 14 to the 28 to carry 14 is a 42 and 44. This is the cost of covering the path of the swimming pool. This is our first. Next question, that is fourth question. Now the fifth question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 3:2. The length and breadth of a rectangular field is in the ratio of 3:2. If the area of the field is if the area of the field is 3456 meter square, find the cost of fencing. Find the cost of fencing. And what is the cost? At rupees 60 per meter. At rupees 60 per meter. This is the question. The ratio of the length and breadth is 3:2. Now, ratio equals to 3:2. Length. This is the ratio of length and this is the ratio of breadth. Length equals to 3x and breadth equals to 2x. Why we have taken x? Because this is the ratio, not the actual value, and we get ratio by cutting the given two values with the same number. So we take that same number just like x. So we can say that length equals to 2x and breadth equals to length equals to 3x and breadth equals to 2x. Now we have given area. Area equals to L into B. Why I have taken L into B? Because it is given that it is a rectangular shape, and so I have taken the formula of area of rectangle, that is 3x into 2x, and 3 to the 6x square, and the area of the field is given 3456 meter square. What is the area? 3456 meter square. X square equals to 6 is multiplied by x square. When we transfer this 6 to that side, it will be on the divide position. It means 3456 divided by 6, we get 3 5 ja 30, 4 7 and 6. It means x square equals to 576. We can write x as x square as x into x and 576 into 24 into 24. We have to learn, we have to remember that area square of 24 is 576 and vice versa. Square root of 576 is 24. So we can write x equals to 24. This is the value we get, the value of x is. Now we can write L equals to 3x. It means 3 into 24, that is 72 meter. Breadth equals to 2x. It means 2 into 24, that is 48 meter. These are the length and breadth of the figure whose ratio of the sides are given 3:2. Now next is fencing. Find the cost of fencing. What is the meaning of fencing? We have discussed earlier that fencing means we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2L plus B. That is 2. What is L? 72 plus 48. It means 2. 1, 8 and 2, 10. 1 carry. 5, 120. It means it is 240 meter. This is the perimeter of the given rectangular field, 240 meter. Now we have to find the cost. Cost of 1 meter equals to what is given? The cost is given at rupees 60. The cost of 1 meter equals to rupees 60 and cost of the 240 meter equals to 60 into 240, that is 144. So we can say that we have to expend 14,400 for the cost of fencing the given figure. You can take the screenshot. Our next question is, Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement shown is 25 meters. Mr. Kaushik, we have discussed 5 questions. This is our 6th question. Mr. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement shown in figure. Has a square plot whose measurement as given in the figure. What is the figure? There is the figure. Figure is square plot. 25 meter and 25 meter. This is a square plot, so length and breadth must be equal. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. A garden will be developed around the house. Find the cost of developing it. Find the cost of developing the garden at rupees 55 per meter square. 55 per meter square. Now, what is given? Plot size is 25 by 25 and the house she wants to construct is 20 meter by 15 meter. This is the 20 meter and this is 15 meter. This is the area in which she wants to construct his house, and this is the area in which she wants to develop the garden. We have to find the cost of developing the garden. So we have to find this particular area around this house. We can write it A, B, C, D. Area of square plot equals to side into side, that is 25 into 25, it means 625 meter square. Area of square means ABCD. Area of PQRS. PQR and S. PQRS is a shape of rectangle L into B. that is 20 into 15, that is 300 meter square. So we can see that area of the total plot is 625 centimeter and the area of the house to be constructed is 300. Remaining area of garden is of garden, that is 625 minus 300, that is 325 meter square. This is the area on which we have to develop the garden. And cost of, what is cost? Cost is given 55 per meter square. Cost of 1 meter square equals to rupees 55, and cost of, what is the area? 325 meter square must be equals to 325 multiplied by 55. We get, by multiplying, that is 17,875 rupees. This will be the cost to develop the garden around the house. Okay, now in the last I am telling about a very important thing. What is that? This is the table of measurement: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. This table is very important to change one unit into other. It means 1 centimeter square, 1 meter square, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter square, it means 1 meter into 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, that is 10,000 centimeter. Most of the students did not know that when we change 1 meter square, we have to convert the centimeter multiplied by 10,000. अधिकतर बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, तो मीटर स्क्वायर को सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, जबकि ये 10,000 से। इसकी भी एक ट्रिक है कि अगर हम मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में डिवाइड करते हैं, तो इसका एक ट्रिक मैं समझा दूं आपको कि अगर इस टेबल में हम ऊपर से नीचे जाते हैं, ऊपर से का मतलब सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करें या सेंटीमीटर को हेक्टोमीटर या किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो हम नीचे जाते हैं, नीचे का मतलब डाउनवर्ड्स, और डाउनवर्ड्स जाते हैं तो हमें डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। किस वैल्यू से? हर एक वैल्यू में 10 का डिफरेंस होता है, और ये बच्चे नहीं सीख पाते हैं और गलतियां करते हैं। हम डाउनवर्ड्स गए तो हमें डिवाइड करना है, 1 स्टेप गए तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10, 2 स्टेप्स जाएंगे तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इंटू 10 100, 3 स्टेप्स अगर नीचे जाते हैं तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इंटू 10 1 इंटू 10, 3 टाइम्स 10 मीन्स 1000। इसके अलावा अगर हम इसको ऊपर जाते हैं कि हमें किलोमीटर को मीटर में और किलोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। जस्ट लाइक 5 किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, मीटर में। अब देखो इधर किलोमीटर पे हम थे, देयर इज 5 किलोमीटर। किलोमीटर से हम मीटर पे गए, 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप, 3 स्टेप, इट मीन्स 5 तो एज इट इज लिखा जाएगा। किलोमीटर से हम मीटर पे गए तो कितने स्टेप्स ऊपर गए? हम 3 स्टेप्स ऊपर गए, इट मीन्स हमें 3 जीरो वाली डिजिट 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना पड़ेगा, इट मीन्स 5000 मीटर। कि 5 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर होते हैं? 5000 मीटर। इसी तरह से अगर हमें कोई भी 2755 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना हो, किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? मीटर में। तो अब आप देखो, सेम एज इट इज 2755 एज इट इज लिखेंगे। अब सेंटीमीटर को हमें मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है। दिस इज सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज मीटर। फ्रॉम वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर 1 स्टेप एंड 2 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप आ गए। हम डाउन आए हैं, देखो सेंटीमीटर पे थे, डाउनवर्ड्स आए तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। किसका डिवाइड? 2 स्टेप्स नीचे आए हैं, इट मीन्स ऐसे डिजिट जिसमें 2 जीरो होते हैं, 2 जीरो सिंपली 100 में होते हैं, तो हमें इसमें 100 का डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। तो ये आ जाएगा 237.55 मीटर। ये टेबल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हर जगह काम आती है। जिस तरह से ये टेबल है मीटर की, उस तरह से लीटर की और ग्राम की भी टेबल बनती है। तो इस टेबल से आप किसी भी वैल्यू को दूसरी यूनिट में इजीली कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज। One more thing to tell you, to request you that please subscribe my channel as maximum as you can and share it with your friends as maximum as you can. Thank you.